Hello everyone, in this video let us solve this question. So we have x raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 2, and here we want to solve for the value of x. Now, by mere inspection, write following this identity that if you have a raised to power b equals to a raised to power 3, since the bases are equal, we can simply compare the exponents such that b is equal to 3. Now, we can all conclude that the value of x right here, x is equal to 2. Good. Now, quite alright, this is one of the values of x, but there are other values of x. So let us solve for them. Now, solution, we have x raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 2. So the first thing we're going to do is to divide both sides of the equation by x power of 2. So over x power of 2 over x power of 2. Now on doing so, this cancels this. What we have is 1 is equal to x raised to power x over x raised to power 2. Now, applying this principle of indices, that if you have a raised to power b over a raised to power c, this equals a raised to power b minus c. So applying this principle right here, so this will then become, okay, we have the same base, we pick 1, and since they are joined by division sign, we subtract the powers. X minus 2 is all equal to 1. So with this, we can then introduce natural logarithm to solve this question. So ln x raised to power x minus 2 is equal to ln 1. Now, don't forget that ln is simply log to base e, while log is simply log to base 10. And we can apply the property of logarithm on natural logarithm. So, following this rule of logarithm, that if you have logarithm of a raised to power b, this equals b times logarithm of a. So, following this rule, what we have is that power x minus 2 becomes x minus 2, right? Then multiplied by ln x is equal to ln 1. Now with this, ln 1 is equal to 0. So this is equal to 0. Then x minus 2 multiplied by ln x is equal to 0. Now from here, this is equal to 0, or ln x is equal to 0. So x minus 2 is equal to 0, or ln x is equal to 0. So then let us solve for this first linear equation. Move minus 2 over to this side. The value of x is equal to 2. With this, we have gotten the first value of x to equal 2. Okay? Or from here, that ln x equals to 0, introduce e to both sides of the equation. E raised to power ln x is equal to e raised to power 0. From here, e will cancel ln, x stands alone is equal to e raised to power 0 is 1. So we have gotten the second solution for x. So right now we have two solutions for x. So let us confirm which of the solution is the correct solution. So let us check that out. From here, let's check it out. The question, which is x raised to power x is equal to x raised to power 2. We got the solutions of x. X1 is equal to 2, while x2 is equal to 1. Now, for the value of x1, which equals 2, inputting 2 as x into the equation, so x becomes 2, x is 2, so power of 2, which is equal x is 2 raised to power 2. From here, question mark, 2 power of 2 is 4, and this equals 2 power of 2 is 4. Okay, so that means that the value of x1 as 2 is the correct solution. Now, for x2 equals 1, inputting the value of x2 as 1, right? So x is 1, then raised to power x equals 1. With this equal x is 1 raised to power 2. Now, 1 raised to power 1 is 1. Will it equal 1 raised to power 2 is equal to 1. 1 squared is simply 1 times 1, and that will give us 1. So looking at this also means that x2 is, which is equal to 1, is also the correct solution. So with this, the two solutions that we've gotten are the correct solution for the question. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.